Welcome. If you want to get live fluid wallpaper on your SHARP Aquos R2, at the first you have to go for the Play Store. Next, tap on the search pool and type fluid wallpaper. Let's get this application from Mad Scientist. Right now we can open. And as you can see, here we got the preview of this wallpaper, how it is going to look. We can of course go here and change a little bit the settings. So tap to set as a live wallpaper, then click right here, accept the permissions, and we can go for the animated things. So here we can change the resolution. We can go also for not here, go back. We can change the theme of this one, so go for this, for example. It's my favorite, by the way. Click to set as a wallpaper, and as you can see right now, here we got this cool looking live wallpaper on our smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.